Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a brief screencast video. It's about a tip I found and I think you guys might well like it. I've for a long time not been able to upload images directly from my PC where I produce them up to Instagram. What I've had to do is actually send them down to my iPhone and then use the iPhone to upload them to Instagram. Completely painful process, unnecessarily complicated. What I found is a little hack that gets it round that so that you can actually upload them directly from the PC. Anyway, follow this video and see what you think. Basically, Instagram does not allow you to actually post pictures from a normal sort of Windows browser, but there is a workaround and I'll show you what it is. I've got Instagram open here in Chrome. I don't know if this works in other browsers, it probably does, or something similar anyway. But basically, I can't post anything. There's no plus button here to actually add anything, and there's no options anywhere on the screen to add them. But this little hack, bear in mind I do come from an IT background, so knowing these sort of things is part of the trade. But in the tools on the right hand side, the little three dots drop down here, there's an option that says more tools, and if you click on that, or at least make it expand out, there's one at the bottom here called developer tools. Now this is something that developers of web applications and websites and HTML and all that sort of fancy stuff use a lot. But what it allows us to do is, if you look up here in the top left hand corner, there is a little sort of a tablet and a phone symbol. That's what I've taken them to mean anyway. But if you click on that, what it'll do is it will make the screen of the browser appear and emulate a phone. And in this case, it's emulating an iPhone X, which is what I've got. So if you refresh the screen at this point, you will find magically that it actually behaves exactly like an iPhone, including having the very important plus symbol here. So ignoring this other window, it's only a mechanism to get this all to work, but just go back to the browser as I've just done. If you now click on this, it behaves much as your iPhone would, and it opens up a window where you can choose a picture. So let me choose a picture. Here's a picture. It's a piece of log on the beach at Trebarwith, I think it is, in Devon, or is it I think it might be somewhere in Wales. Anyway, Pembrokeshire. I'll just select the image and it shows you the image, and I'll shrink it down so that it fits better into there. And clicking next allows you to write a caption. So we'll call this Wood on Beach, Pembrokeshire. I'm not going to add tags and all that other stuff, but you can get the idea. If you now say share to this, magically this will appear as if you'd done it on your phone without having to use your phone, and there it is. So if I now switch these developer tools off and just close that window, it goes back to the normal appearance that Instagram has of being a PC type browser interface, and there is my picture on my page. So if I go across to refresh that and go to my profile, on my profile here is the image I just added, and it's already had one person like it. That's nice. So basically that's a workaround for being able to get images easily and quickly up onto Instagram when you've only got a PC and you don't want to mess around copying things onto your phone and then taking them from the phone, uploading them to Instagram, cutting and pasting text rather clumsily on iPhones, I find. This just allows you to do it directly on your PC. Anyway, I hope you found that interesting. It's quite straightforward to do and it works very easily. So I think there's quite a few people out there who might benefit from being able to do this way. Anyway, thanks for listening, thanks for watching. I hope you found that of some interest. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, please subscribe and follow me. Bye for now.